how to use eBay snipping tools for auction. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is choose a very reliable third-party eBay snipping service tools such as your Gnix or your My Snipper, right? So after doing that, what you're going to do is link your eBay AU account securely to the tool interface. So after linking that, what you're going to do is enter the auction item ID number and input your absolute maximum bid amount limit on that third party, right? So third party application, right? So after doing that, here what you're going to do is simply set the tool schedule timer, for example, to place your bid 3 to 5 seconds before the auction completely ends or something like that, and then let the tool execute the automated bid automatically at the final second to minimize the pricing bidding wars. And that is exactly how you'll be able to use your eBay snipping tools for auction. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below. And that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching.